Hi, guys. Christine here with California Family Law Naked Truth. We are out in the field today and talking with some of the residents in the community to see what they think about the corruption going on in California. This is Adrienne. Adrienne, do you know anything about the corruption going on, whether it's with the judicial system or the elderly homes? Hospitals. Are you aware of any of the corruption going on in California?
Yeah, I'm aware, especially in assisted care facilities. There's a lot of issues with, medical staff not doing the things they're supposed to be doing and treating residents really poorly. But that's kind of all I know about it. Yeah.
Okay. Are you familiar with the DA's office, the FBI, the DOJ, the State Bar of California, any of those offices at all that work for the people in California?
I'm familiar with what they're supposed to do, but I don't really keep up to date on what they are actually doing.
Okay. I believe after today you will be up on what they do. I want to let you know that, as we all know, there is a governor, okay, of California. And then there is an office which is called the Attorney General's Office. Are you familiar with what an Attorney General's Office can do for California?
Um, Not really. I know that they're lawyers, but that's about all I know.
Okay, and this is very common. People in California need to be more aware of what this office does. And Adrienne, just to let you know, the governor's here and the Attorney General's office is here. But what people don't know in California is that with all the corruption going on out here, the only office that can set investigations up is the Attorney General's office. Now, there has been someone, Rob Bonta, who has been running that office for 4 years, and he has been ignoring the families that have been crying out to him from that have been under the wrath of the corrupt judges in all of California, going through the family court system. And as you mentioned, things are going on with the homes, the old folk homes, I'm going to say, and there's a lot more corruption going on. So, do you think that you'll be able to look up more as far as what's going on with the Attorney General's office, knowing that they are the only office who can stop corruption in California?
Yeah, it definitely sounds like something I'd be interested in researching more. And I have a family friend who's a lawyer, so I could talk to her about it as well.
Which is great. Also, there is only one person going up against Rob Bonta who has ignored the families, and his name is Michael Gates. And I do want to express to everyone that we don't care what party you run with. We don't care. We need good people that care about good families and want to help these families in the judicial system. Will you remember Rob Bonta's name, who's in there now and is not doing anything for the people? And will you remember Michael Gates' name?
Yes, I will.
Okay. Thank you so much, Adrienne.
Thank you.